Lampard only this month's podcast. That seems like the man's problem. I tried to do it this one. Wipe out off some advertisement. That's so. Okay, let's wait to start the music. Okay, so let's wait. My DVD-R and I was wrong that this DVD failed to burn. Okay, so then it stopped. So okay, so let's try to clean it up. Let's try with this stuff. It looks gorgeous anyway, so it looks normal DVD. So when it's started, listen. It doesn't supposed to listen okay. It's like let's see the difference what it's supposed to sound like. So remember, this is DVD RDL, which is the Micro SX Leopard. So let's insert this DVD. Oh my god. Okay. Now, let's see. So, let's read it. This is what's supposed to happen. Let's try again. Unfortunately, I can't open. Let's see. The laser move up and doesn't make weird noises. Like, now, it looks like this, and then it goes fast. It spins fast. In RDL it doesn't happen for some reason. And no, on RDL it needs to be spin fast. I tried this on Windows and sound exactly like DVD. So this is supposed to happen, and again this is the full thing. This is what doesn't want to happen. So let's start it. See? It goes like this. It doesn't spin fast. It remains like this. Silent. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, let's try and explain. Okay. So with DVDR, it goes like this, slow, 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 and then spin it fast, like this. And in RDL, it is like this. So boom, boom, boom. Do you understand? Okay. So third deal is normal. So it has this. Okay, now it's normal, I think. So let's try one again. Removing those pitches, those little details. Again, this make. Okay, enough. Let's try one more time. This time, DVD minus R. I don't think there's problem with minus or plus. I think because circle slow, then fast. Listen. So, you see that? As I said, it's not problem with plus or minus because I remember I checked before the broke on system information, I think. So yeah, it says that they can read any dual disk, so dual layer disk. So this is length problems. So and since in startup, how when I click shutdown, it's supposed to be this and then fast. So let's see. When it's trying to read actual information from disk. So I know this video is big, but I'm trying to explain what I'm doing, what happened. So pressing down C, as you can see. Oh my god. See, black screen for a little bit. And then it goes fast. See? So it's this problem right here. Not this problem, the lens right here. So how to open the lens? Bye.